Top 5 reasons why dogs get hiccups and how to help them. 1. Dogs get hiccups when their diaphragm spasms due to sudden excitement or exercise. 2. Eating or drinking too quickly can cause dogs to swallow air, leading to hiccups. 3. Stress or anxiety can trigger hiccups in dogs as their bodies react to tension. 4. Temperature changes, like drinking cold water, may irritate a dog's diaphragm, causing hiccups. 5. Sometimes hiccups happen without a clear reason but usually go away on their own quickly. Try calming your dog and slow their eating to reduce hiccups today.